Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn about Roman numerals. Numerals are used to represent the count. There are two widely used numerals. One is Roman numeral. Another is Hindu Arabic. Left-hand side clock has Roman numerals. Right side digital clock uses Hindu Arabic numeral to represent time. Roman numerals is older to Hindu Arabic. Roman numerals uses alphabets to represent numbers. The table here shows the Roman numerals corresponding to the Hindu Arabic. If you notice keenly, the number corresponding 1, 5, 10, and 50 has single letters to represent. And also if you notice a pattern, first three columns follows the same pattern. That is, the letter is used maximum of 3 times, especially I. Then the fifth column uses V. Fourth column uses I only one time before V. Sixth, seventh, and eighth column uses I after V, again maximum of 3 times. Ninth and 10th column follows similar pattern as fourth and fifth columns respectively. Let us keep these patterns in mind and go ahead with how this number system is constructed. Roman numeral uses base of 5 and 10. That is, it introduces a new symbol or letter for 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000, and so on. For using this numeral for representing count, certain conventions need to be followed. We will see them one by one. The first rule is, when a symbol is repeated more than one time, add the numeric value that many times. For example, 2 is represented using 2 i's. Each I is equal to 1, so 2 i's equal to 2. Second one, letters V, L, D can never be repeated. That is, we cannot represent 10 by writing 2V. That will introduce ambiguity. Rule 3. When a symbol has a smaller value to the left, subtract the left value from the greater value. Fourth rule. When a symbol has a smaller value to the right, add the right value to the greater value. For example, in 12, I has smaller value compared to X and lies right of X. Fifth one. It is not possible subtract I, X, C from any symbol. I can be subtracted only from V, X, that is, next two symbols. 49 cannot be represented by subtracting 1 from 50. It should be 50 minus 10 plus 9. That is, subtract X from L. Do not subtract I from L. In the same way, X cannot be subtracted from D. To get 490, subtract C from D, then add Roman numeral for 90, which is C minus X. Note, subtraction is possible only with next two nearer letters. Rule 6. Letter of smaller value can appear only once to the left of greater value. This we have seen in all numbers end with 4 and 9. Rule 7. If letter of smaller value is placed between two greater values, then always subtract from the larger number to the right. Rule 8. To multiply a numeral by 1000, just place a bar over the letters. Here, to represent 7000, upon 7, that is VII, bar is placed. In the same way, to write 11,000, Roman numeral 11, that is over XI, bar is placed. Roman number system is formed with such rules. If rules are not followed, we may end up in ambiguity. Note, Roman numerals do not have 0. Here, we have one more table. This has Roman numerals for Hindu Arabic numerals. The same pattern what we observed in the first table, we can observe here. First 3 rows, that is 10, 20, 30, X is repeated. X equals 10, X plus X equals 20, X plus X plus X equals 30. Fifth row, L equals 50. Fourth row, L minus X equals 40. You can notice here. Rule number 1 in row 3. A letter can appear maximum 3 times in a row. Rule number 3 and 6 in row 4 and 9. Left side smaller value. Subtract from the greater value at right. Rule number 4 in row 6, 7, 8. Right side smaller value should be added to greater value. The same pattern for 100s and 1000s columns also. Now let us learn how to express the given numeral in Roman form. Question 1. 2479. First write the number in expanded form. 2000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 9. Then separate out again in 1s and 5s form and write equivalent Roman numeral. Then remove the plus sign and put all together to get the answer. Question 2. 899. In expanded form. 800 plus 90 plus 9. Next 800 is equal to 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 equals DCCC. 90 equals 100 minus 10 equals XC. 9 equals IX. Then remove the plus sign and put all together. DCCCXCIX. Now let us learn how to express the given Roman numeral in Hindu Arabic. Question 1. MDCLXVII. First separate out all the letters and write their individual value. M equals 1000. D equals 500. Etc. Now check the order of the numbers. It is in descending order. Just add the same place values together to get the expanded form. Then convert to compact form. Question 2. Here the order is not completely is in descending form. In such cases, add as earlier till the last but one where the order changes. Subtract the smaller value in the left from the larger value as in Rule 7. Then add the value to the previous answer to get the final result. Thanks for listening to this video. Hope you enjoyed learning Roman numerals. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.